Phil, Luke. Your case against Luke is a very straightforward one. He took money and didn't complete decking to the reasonably competent standard of a decker. He basically admits that in his reply. He made a mistake early on by getting a quote for wood, which turned out to be more expensive, and so he didn't complete the job. The consequence is, I absolutely believe he took £800, and you're entitled to all of that £800 back. In law, what the law does is put you in a position you would have been in but for somebody's negligence. He admits the negligence. What was the cost of that negligence? £800. That's your award, £800. You don't come to court and win prizes. Your £190 for 2 days off work is totally unreasonable. Full stop. You're claiming £750 for unpaid fees to this second gardener who did a wonderful job. The emphasis here is that is unpaid. You haven't lost that money and consequently you can't claim it here. You're also claiming £704.70 for the new materials for that gardener. But you would have had to have paid that person that money for that decking in any event. So if I were to award you that money, what you'd be getting is free decking. The last part of your case is for £500 for emotional distress. Now, I absolutely believe that your wife suffered distress as a result of what happened. Nevertheless, you have to have a demonstrable connection between the emotional distress and his negligence, and you can't prove it. So although your claim is for £2,444.70, I award you what you paid him in the first place, which is £800, and that's the award of this court to you. Sir, I now turn to your counterclaim. The difficulty is here that it seems to me that what they've said themselves online is fair, just and reasonable. In this case, other people have jumped on a defamatory bandwagon. And I'm afraid to say, in law, you need to take it up with them. You put a note on your own website saying as follows: all reviews on this website must be based upon customer experience alone. Those who place reviews about my work with no knowledge or experience of it are maliciously false, and I will be taking this matter to court in the event that this continues. Full stop. The award of this court is £800.
Phil was awarded £800 of his original claim. Defendant Luke's counterclaim was dismissed. Let's find out how both parties felt about their day in court.
You should just keep to do gardening, nothing else, to be honest.
Yeah, I have done, but I did say from the start about my skills, and I've always been honest with all my customers, and that's all I can do.
He knows he's ripped me off. He knows it.
Everything they wanted for nothing. If I didn't turn up, they got me to do extra bits for free, move the shed for free. They wanted extra, everything was for free. And I just cracked on that day, and that was it.
I was hoping for more, but that's Judge Rinder. OK, if you can't do it, you can't do it. But
Well,
I had that experienced joiner come in, he looked at it, and
yeah,
it
but
was disgusting.
Yeah. It's your joiner.
No,
Your
not my
fair.
joiner.
You said it was your... Anyway, I'm not getting an argument over it. I'm happy with how it's gone.
OK.
For more Judge Rinder cases, click here. And if you've got a legal issue yourself, get in touch with us by clicking over here.